High-pressure washing can sound fast and effective, but it can seriously damage air conditioning coils and cost far more than it saves. Air conditioning coils are made of thin metal fins and delicate tubes that transfer heat, and using a pressure washer even at moderate settings can bend the fins, puncture refrigerant lines, and dislodge factory coatings that prevent corrosion. To clean coils safely, start by cutting power to the unit at the breaker and removing any outer panels that are designed to come off so you can access the fins without forcing the washer through grills. Use a garden hose on a low pressure setting or a pump sprayer with a foaming coil cleaner designed for heating and cooling systems, letting the chemical dwell for the manufacturer recommended time to loosen grime without scrubbing. If you must use a brush, choose a soft nylon coil brush and stroke along the fin direction to avoid bending them, and straighten any bent fins afterward with a fin comb size to the fin spacing. For deep grease or oily residues, use a commercial coil cleaner that is safe for aluminum and copper, and rinse gently from the opposite side of airflow, so debris is pushed out of the coil rather than deeper into it. After cleaning, let the coils dry completely and check for any signs of leaks, unusual noises, or reduced refrigerant pressure before restoring full operation. A common mistake is using a high-pressure nozzle, which will flatten fins and can puncture tubing. So avoid pressure washers and use low-pressure water or chemical cleaners instead. Another frequent issue is scrubbing across fins, which bends them and reduces airflow. So always brush in the same direction as the fins and use a fin comb when needed. People also skip safety steps like cutting power and checking for leaks, which risks electric shock and operating with damaged coils, so always shut power. Inspect carefully and test system pressures before running the system. On BigHomeProjects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors who list the services they offer and how they work so users can compare options and contact professionals. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical advice, tips, and experiences so everyone learns safer, cost-effective maintenance and repair practices.